All right, guys, what's going on? It's your boy Mike Lowy, Lowy Trading Academy. So today I wanted to hop on here. If this is your guys' first time tuning in, I want to show you a little bit what I'm about, a little bit about what I offer, and how things work, right? Because I think there's a lot of free game that I give that's getting slept on over here. And I am new to content. I do my own thumbnails. I do my own, you know, YouTube banners and stuff. But we'll go over a little bit about what I offer, and then we'll go over some of the earnings and the week that we have coming up. Right, it's a big week coming up. So first and foremost, YouTube is Mikey Trades 23. As soon as I get monetized, I will start trading live for free as well. Right now, I don't do that because I offer everything else for free. I mean, if you go on here and you see the live, you could actually rewatch every single day that I go live and then go to that day on TradingView to look at your chart, right? And see exactly what I did, how I did it, and where I put levels. So that's like it's a huge help, right? That is just alone giving you a bias for the day. So right off the bat, I hop on the live, show you guys what's up, what I'm looking for the day, and then as I'm doing that, I also do a watch list, right? So on the Discord, if you're in the Discord, I highly recommend to join. If you're not, I'll go to Trade Breakdowns. I send the live link every morning, so that way you can't miss it. And you see, I do a follow up video every day after I am done trading. But during the live video, I also go through a watch list. All right. And the watch list is what we just talked about on the live, but the game plan behind what we just talked about. Right. So, for example, Meta below 637 to 630 or above 644 to 654, right? That's on the watch list. So the watch list may say this, and this is saying, yes, if we do break 637, we'll go to 630. But a lot of times what can happen is price gets to 637, and that's actually our bounce point, right? Because I said below 637. So if we bounce off of 637 or sweep and reclaim it, then I am looking to go to the upside, right? Um, so that could have been in between that zone of below 637 or above 644. We may take that bounce off of 637 to 644. And that's actually, I believe that's actually what we did. So that's why, yes, the watch list works, but it's not always going to play out like that because I'm not going to give every scenario behind the watch list and typing it out, right? I think if you're too lazy to wake up an hour before the market opens, or even 15, 20 minutes before, you could rewatch it when it's posted before the market opens, then you'll be good. Like, you have to put in your own due diligence. There's no way that you're just going to come on here, go on the watch list, or not even go on the watch list, just wait for a call out and just enter and exit. Like, that's not really. I mean, you can do that, and I know people that have made money doing that. Is that no one's active? Nobody. I need a new circle of people in the Discord, and that's what I'm trying to reach out to. So that's kind of what this video is for: is to try to get some more outreach and some more, people who are dedicated and actually want to trade. I'm trying to build a community of people who have the same mindset behind trading. So, like, essentially, if you're brand new, you're perfect for me and the Discord because of what I can offer you, because you have no bad habits. So all you know is what I tell you. So if I show you how to read this watch list and you go on the live in the morning, then we're trading together essentially, right? You're my right hand man. If I'm watching Spy and you see Tesla has a great setup coming on because you were on the live and you marked your levels, you could type in the chat, "Hey Mike, I just saw that Tesla's breaking above this key level. What do you think about it to the upside or downside?" Or you could even ask me a question like, "Hey, since Tesla's approaching this key level, how can we tell like what to do off of it?" And then we'll wait to see what happens, right? And then we'll play off of it if it's a good play, and I'll explain it to you. So that's like, I don't know who else does that. Like, actually answers you and gives you logic behind the trades and why they're taking them. So just remember that, right? I also teach one on ones. I think the biggest thing for the one on ones is that we have everyone made their money back that has been in it, right? So right here, like, you guys could go read it for yourself on the Discord. But so I've been in the Discord for just over 2 weeks, and on an initial investment of 250, I have close to 1,500 in my account. That's crazy, right? Friends, there's one of my friends from back at home. The one-on-ones help. My other one-on-one, huge dude. Shout out for that testimonial. That was an amazing testimonial. But this is what I like to do. So with the one-on-ones, guys, how I run one-on-ones, we have a separate chat. So every night when I chart my levels and I'm going over this entire screen, right? And we're seeing setups and we're waiting for what we want, right? That is that's what we do together. And I explain to you what we're looking for, why we're looking for it, and what we could expect to play off of it. So, that's a huge benefit because it's hands on. I'll still sit there, if you're brand new, I will sit there and I'll show you candlesticks, I'll show you how they move, I'll show you the fundamentals. I'll actually start making videos on YouTube about that for you guys. But if you already have a little bit of an edge and you want to sharpen it or just finally get pushed over the edge to become profitable, you know where to find me, right? And that is the beauty of the one-on-ones. And then even this guy, right, um, changed trading for me in a big way. You guys got to go read this, right? You guys gotta go read this. Since working with Mike, I've only had 2 red days, and my mindset is night and day compared to before. He genuinely cares about teaching, held me accountable, even for things like staying out too late. So yeah, that too. I get a little personal with you because at the end of the day, you're investing your money to learn from me. So if you're gonna give me your money, you are investing into me to make you be the best version of yourself to be a profitable trader. So if you're staying out late and you're drinking, you're not waking up an hour before the market, you don't have a good routine, you're not disciplined, you're not patient, you're greedy, you get FOMO when you cut them short and they end up going farther. Like, I hold you guys accountable for all those actions, all the psychology that goes on in your head, and it helps. Like it is all psychology when it comes to trading. So just keep that in mind that I am offering you guys exactly how to trade. Like I am showing you how to do this. All you got to do is put in a little work. All right, just put in a little work and you can do this. Okay? I promise you. I'm trying, my cup is overflowing. I've been so blessed through God and I am trying to help fill your cups now, my family's cups, right? Like this is what it's for. I'm giving so much free game. Reach out and ask questions, guys. Let's go. Let's grow.